Welcome friends. In this video I am going to show you my first altcoin which I think can easily give you 100x return, and I think this token can easily hit 100x and within 2021 and can give you maximum return. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description, and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. And let me please show you what is the coin and how to buy this coin from PancakeSwap and with MetaMask wallet. I will show you the complete procedure. So please stay in this video and please thumbs up the like button right now. This is the coin Safe BTC and it is currently is at $0.0000013. Here you can see this is the price, and price decreases 45% in 24 hours. And this is the website, and here you can see this is this circulating supply of this token. This token is available in very cheap price, and this token can easily hit 100x, maybe 1000x in this year. I bought this token with 100 USDT, and after that this token gives me near about 20x, and I am going to show you how to buy this token with minimum 100x or maybe with minimum $100 or maybe $1,000, how much you can afford to lose or how much you can afford to buy this token. And please do your own research before buying this token. Circulating supply of this token is 1000 trillion. Here you can see very big supply. And let me please show you some statistics, and after that I will show you how much profit this token can give you. In 7 days, this token gives 698% profit to its holder. In 14 days, this token gives 372% profit to its holders. All-time high of this token was on April 21, 2021, and just 7 hours ago. And the price was $0.00000035. And here you can see this token gives 3097% profit in 10 days. Safe BTC. And Safe BTC currently it is available on DigiFinex exchange and on PancakeSwap, and I think this token can give you maximum return. That is why I am making this video. This is the chart. Currently there is no chart on available, and this is the CoinGecko chart. Let me please show you. No chart available on tradingview.com. Here you can see at 3rd April this token was only $0.000000001, and after that here you can see price increases 2x return. Here you can see 2x return, 2x return, and after that here you can see it is gonna it is moving upwards. Here you can see 4x return, 5x, 6x, 7x, 8x, and let me please show you how much. Near about, I think so, 30 to 35%, 34%, 34x return in just some days. Let me please show you how much. From 3rd April to 20 April, 20 April, this token gives 34x profit to its holders. And now this token is available in very low price. Here you can see after that there comes a dip, and it is currently is at $0.000000014. That is why I think this token can easily hit my targets, and definitely this token can give you, I think so, very much return. Here you can see 24-hour trading volume of this token is 22 million, and current rank of this token is very low. And here you can see 13,007 people like this project. And let me please show you how to buy this token and how to buy and how to hold. First of all, you have to install MetaMask extension at your browser. I am making this video on my laptop. You have to install MetaMask wallet and extension, and let me please show you. Here you can see I convert it into Binance Smart Chain mainnet. You should have to convert this into Binance Smart Chain mainnet. Okay. At default, this appears Ethereum mainnet, but you have to select Binance Smart Chain mainnet. Okay. And here you can see there is some balance. I send it to this address. This is the address of BSC chain of Binance, and currently I am having 0.18 BNB coin. Here you can see. Okay. Now we have to move on PancakeSwap, and after opening PancakeSwap.finance, this is the website, and after that you have to click on trade. Let me please show you. This is the home page. Let me please show you. Please thumbs up the like button for this effort right now, please friends. And let me please show you. You have to click on trade, and after that exchange. Okay. Let me please show you. Here you can see. Here you can see the default wallet is BNB, and you have to select the currency you have to buy. And here you can see my wallet is connected. This wallet is MetaMask. Okay. And you should have to connect MetaMask wallet with PancakeSwap. There are many videos available on YouTube. You can search. And let me please show you how to select the currency. For this, you should have to go to in the Safe BTC Coin Gecko page, and now you have to copy this BSC chain address of this token. Here you can see this address is copied, contract address is copied, and after that you have to select a currency, and after that you have to paste on it. Here you can see. Now you should have to add this on click on add button, and this will be add in your list of PancakeSwap token list, and now you have to click on Safe BTC. Here you can see. Now I am going to buy Safe BTC with BNB. I am going to buy Safe BTC token with my BNB balance. The balance of BNB is the balance of MetaMask. I show you 0.18 BNB. 0.18 BNB. Here you can see. Now you can know there is a trick to buy this token. Let me please show you the trick, and let me please tell you. First of all, you should have to click on max. Here you can see. After in 0.1793 BNB, I have to buy let me please show you 879 million tokens. Here you can see. When I try to buy these tokens that default that shows by default, but here you can see. Let me please show you the trick. It is confirming confirm swap. I want to buy BNB with and I want to buy Safe BTC with my BNB. Here you can see, and you have to click on confirm. But here you can see there is the transaction cannot succeed due to the error. There is a trick. Let me please show you what is the trick. You have to remove one of the figure. I am going to remove 7. Here you can see. I am going to remove 7 and I add 0 instead of 7. Now I click on confirm swap. Here you can see. Here you can see it is connecting with my MetaMask. Yes, confirm. Here you can see. Here you can see I bought this token. I buy this token in my from my MetaMask wallet through PancakeSwap. Here, let me please show you. In that way, you can buy this token. This is very good token, having very bright future, because this token is listed on 2 exchanges, and price is very low, and market and circulating supply is very high. You can buy maximum token with very minimum amount, and there is very less fee, as you can you know that there is very less fee on Binance Smart Chain. That is why I choose MetaMask and choose Binance Smart Chain mainnet and PancakeSwap. I connect my MetaMask with PancakeSwap and I buy this token in front of you. Maybe it will take some time to appear in my MetaMask. Maybe it will take some time, but I bought this token. Definitely I can get these tokens within maybe 15 minutes, maybe in 20 minutes. Let me please show you the transaction. You have to click on this link. Here you can see you have to click on this clock sign, and after that here you can see I swap 0.179 and I swap 0.179 BNB for 882 million safe BTC. You can check this transaction on BS Smart Chain. You have to click on this. Here you can see my transaction is confirmed. Here you can see, and my transaction is on BSC mainnet, BSC Smart Chain. Here you can see, and let me please here you can see my balance is deducted, and I think I will get these tokens within, I think, some maybe 20 minutes or maybe 29 minutes. Sorry, maybe 20 minutes. Let me please show you. This service is currently is unavailable. bscscan.com. This is unavailable right now, maybe due to some heavy traffic on it. But this is the complete procedure. You can buy this token in that way. I will show. I will definitely show you the screenshot of my tokens in community tab of my YouTube channel, and I will definitely going to show you. Let me please check again. Maybe I received the token activity. Let me please show you. I sent this BNB amount to my PancakeSwap. There is, but currently I not received, and maybe I can I will receive within 20 to 30 minutes. But maybe it will take some time, but I will show you on my community tab of my YouTube channel. Thanks for the watching, and please do your please buy this token with do your own research before buying this token. But I think this token is a good choice. Thanks for the watching. Keep supporting me.